Did you know that Kuwait has the world's fifth largest oil reserves? Yes, this tiny nation sitting at the edge of the Persian Gulf packs quite a punch. It's a key player in the global oil industry. Now, are you ready to delve into 35 astonishing facts about Kuwait? Starting at number 35, Kuwait is one of the hottest places on Earth, with temperatures soaring up to 54.4 degrees Celsius in summer. But don't let the heat deter you. There's plenty to discover in this desert gem. Fact 34 brings us to the heart of Kuwait's rich culture. The country is home to a variety of traditional music and dance, including the vibrant Arda and Saut. These forms of artistic expression are a testament to Kuwait's resilient spirit and cultural heritage. Moving on to fact 33, we delve into Kuwait's fascinating history. This nation was once a small fishing village. Today it has blossomed into a bustling metropolis, showcasing the transformative power of human ingenuity. At number 32, we find a unique geographical feature, or rather, the lack thereof. Kuwait, incredibly, has no rivers or lakes. All its water needs are met through desalination, a testament to its adaptability in face of challenges. Fact 31 highlights the modern marvels of Kuwait. The country boasts the fourth tallest telecommunications tower in the world, the Liberation Tower. This architectural feat symbolizes Kuwait's liberation from Iraq, standing as a beacon of hope and resilience. Fact 30 brings us to the country's currency, the Kuwaiti dinar. It holds the title of being the highest valued currency in the world. This reflects Kuwait's strong and stable economy, built on its vast oil reserves. At fact 29, we acknowledge the country's commitment to democratic values. Kuwait was the first Arab country in the Gulf to establish an elected parliament, setting a precedent for others to follow. As we continue our journey down to fact number 1, we uncover a myriad of wonders that make Kuwait unique, from its thriving pearl diving industry to its world-renowned date farms, and its love for diwaniyas, traditional gatherings for social and political discourse. And here we are, at fact number 1. Despite its small size, Kuwait has a big heart. The nation has donated more aid per capita than any other country in the world. Unveiling the wonders of Kuwait, we discover not just a country, but a testament to human resilience, adaptability, and generosity. So there you have it, 35 incredible facts that make Kuwait a country full of surprises. From extremes of nature to economic marvels, Kuwait never ceases to astonish. Remember the scorching temperatures that rise so high? It's as if the sun itself has taken residence. And then there's the Kuwaiti dinar, a currency so strong, it's as if it wears a cape and flies. And let's not forget Kuwait's big heart. Despite its compact size, it pours out millions in aid, showing that generosity knows no bounds. Each fact, each story, each surprise adds a unique color to the vibrant tapestry that is Kuwait. Who knew this small nation could hold so many surprises? That's the wonder of Kuwait.